You're making Alfredo with pre-made sauce. Oh, it's fast. This is gourmet, from scratch, and faster than a restaurant. Chicken Alfredo should be a quick meal. It's almost like it was invented to be. But there's many caveats. You go to a restaurant and the chicken's dry, there's not enough pasta, or it takes too long for the delivery. You wait 30 minutes for your delivery and you get a clump, one mass. We're making a relatively simple chicken Alfredo, but with all the proper culinary techniques and a little bit of rule breaking. But the point is to make this as flavorful, as gourmet as anywhere else you would get it. We're gonna have someone place the order, go and get it, and we have to make it before they get back. So let's begin.
Hello, thank you for calling. Thank you for calling. Carry out online is easy.
Can I get a chicken Alfredo, please?
15 minutes.
Thank you.
Recipe on the website. I really want the skin on the chicken thighs. I'm gonna use like skin on chicken thighs, but the bone is gonna cause it to take too long to cook. So yes, I am going to remove the bone. Oh, well, why would you do that? It's such a waste of time. Because that's how much I believe in myself. I believe in myself so much that I'm taking extra time for the deliciousness of this, despite the point of the show. I make a little incision down the middle, and then I get my fingies worked under there. See that? Pop, 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 pop. Take the knife, get under there, scrape down the sides, and remove the bone. You can save that for stock.
Feeling like it's gonna be a dub today. You wanna know why? Because I know a guy named Alfredo, and guess what? He has a chicken.
Pan, medium high, oil. Make sure the skin's dry. Salt, got our pepper. Oh, I gotta get water boiling. Wah. Season our chicken with salt. Hang on, I gotta get 10 to this water. All right, that's heating. This is hot. That's what you wanna hear. It's gonna naturally wanna shrink. What are we gonna do about that? These beautiful presses, press that. I go over here and season my wah. Look at that. Oh, so much salt. Salt.
You know, it's a good vibe. We're 0-4, but hey, Michael Jordan didn't make varsity, so.
Did you make varsity, bro?
Sure, I got knocked out in a few concussions, but hey, I was on varsity.
Give this a little peppy, more salt, sweet cheeses, bing bang, pecorino, parmigiano. A lot of the time you might ask yourself, oh, should I buy that pre-grated stuff? The second that you think that, I want you to stop thinking. Walk down the aisle and spank yourself with a piece of Parmigiano. Use fresh grated. You're literally just eating potato starch. That's how they keep it from clumping together. You're gonna get the wrong sauce texture.
I hope he drops his chicken on the floor. Yeah, I said it.
Okay, this chicken's ready to flip. Oh, good Lord. That's done. Turn the heat off. Get a glove, pop it into a preheated oven, and just let it finish in there. I don't do anything else. So we got our Parmigiano, about a ½ cup grated. Pecorino. Saute pan. Heat is on medium. Cream goes in, daddy's cream, of course. Butter. While that's heating, we do multiple things at once. Try to combine tasks. That's how you're gonna speed this whole process up. 4 cloves of garlic, crushed. And I am going to fine chop these.
Shout out to the comment section. I love y'all. Keep the comments rolling. Give me secrets to defeat this man, because I know they're out there.
The chicken Alfredo that we know today, as I've said before, is not traditional. Definitely an American thing, but it does come from fettuccine al burro. And if you wanna know how to make that, the link's in the description. See, I can even save time for promo. And also, don't forget to buy my book too if you haven't. Link's in the description for that, while we're at it. Make it drop. So this is taking a while to boil. Guess what makes water boil fast? A lid.
Man, we're going through the back streets, bro. I ain't going nowhere, but I'm back. Lights everywhere, and all of them are red. It's a setup.
Come on, cream. Cream for me. Cream is the greatest emulsifier ever, and a lot of restaurants use it as a crutch, but I also do. Next up, fresh thyme. All right, these are gonna go in last. I'm gonna add the thyme now. So that means I'm lying. By having a wider, larger pan, it's gonna reduce significantly faster. You want your sauces to reduce faster, more surface area. Period. Oh, a little bit of pepper. Is this ready? Almost, not really. About to make pressure cooker pasta. I guess I can clean while I'm waiting.
They gotta stop sending me to these confusing places, bro. This is a defeat. We've been at this life for like 5 minutes. This is a L. Ah, there it is.
This was about to boil and it stopped. I don't know how that's possible. This is on full blast. All right, that's close enough. So I have store-bought pasta. If we finish this fast enough, I'll also make a fresh one. If you think that the restaurant that we're going to is making the pasta and cutting it to order, you are insane. They're not. All right, back to this. I mean, this is pretty much there. Not much else to do with this. All right, well, we have time. We're just sitting here, so I might as well just make pasta.
There it is.
All right, we're gonna plug that into my stand mixer. I'm using the motorized one because it's faster. We got a recipe from the cookbook right here. If you're wondering where I got this pasta dough, it came straight from my cookbook. The cookbook created it for me. It has hands. All right, you're gonna quarter this, pre-shape it a little bit, turn this on. Pasta! Make it a little tighter. You can prep the dough in advance and leave it in the fridge and it's fine. 1 day only, no more than a day, okay? Faster, SpongeBob!
Got the bag, it's halftime, on the way back, you know.
I'm a second half guy.
Start off slow at first, but always come in clutch. You gotta believe in yourself. You know, I'm about to get this dub.
They just picked it up. Maybe I'm being a little silly by doing this. That's the noodle length. Where's our pasta at right now? Ow! That's just hard as a rock. We got our cutter. Look at that. Boom, fettuccine. Lovely. That is half a pound of pasta. I can do this one more time and I'll have a full pound of pasta, which is already in there. I probably should have done this. I could have cooked this in 1 minute. This is still cooking. Literally 2 more minutes doing this, 1 more minute doing that. I think I might have actually outpaced the pasta.
Were you the fastest kid at recess?
I could have gone pro. I could have been in the league. What league? Psh, Google me.
Pasta's ripping, it's nearly there. I think we jump back over here, turn this up, get our whisk ready, and let's finish the business, all right? Cheese is getting added. Just gonna stir that in, increase the heat more, about half that. That's emulsifying, it's mixing, it's creamifying, and then all of it. 5 minutes away, we got 5 minutes, gentlemen.
Of course, bro. Josh paid this guy to be right here. Caution, wide turn. Couldn't be more cautious at 10 miles per hour, huh?
That is so hot in my hand that I just did. Pasta's done. That's ready. Heat off. Garlic in. Fresh nutmeg, just a little bit, all right? You don't need a lot. Mix that in. I wanna get a little bit of that pasta water in there, so I'm gonna pull this out with my tongs into the sauce. See, I'm getting water in there. Josh, what the hell are you doing? I'm making an amazing sauce. What are you doing, stinky? Mix, mix, mix. Look at this. Look at this. Pasta out, in, out, in. Chicken's in the oven that I forgot about. Chicken's done, yeah. On Parmigiano. Finito!
He's too wide. The refs are getting paid. That's what's going on.
I'm putting this fresh pasta in there and I'm gonna make more in here. All right, we're boiling, so round 2. I think I'm getting a little bit of buzz, Vikram. A little bit of pasta water in there, a little bit more salt. Give it a light mix. All right, we're all done, we have more.
One day we're gonna win and we're gonna have a parade. This was a setup.
Cheers, gentlemen. I made fresh and store-bought.
Yeah, we'll put it in my mouth.
It's so hot, by the way, I forgot to tell you that.
That was so fucking good.
Time for the taste test. So I know this isn't a but better, but what in God's name is that? First off, you know it's gonna be good. All right. No, thank you. Here's what I'll say. Little to no flavor in this, but it doesn't matter. This is fantastic. Needs a little bit more salt, but cookery is great. So let's bring on the taste test. Bing, bing. This is a number 2. This is number 1. Got it? Makes sense? Yeah. Sorry, I'm just gonna give you, I'm just gonna take this part off. Here we go. It's a number 1. Sorry. All right, number 2 going in your mouth. Open. There you go. Okay, it's nice and strong. 2, 1. Follow my voice. There he is. Every single time Ulysses votes for the other one. This is this paddle. I told you every time. I think we just identified that Ulysses just doesn't like my food. It was fine. But this isn't about winners. This is about making things of quality quickly. And anybody can do it if you just care enough. That is what But Faster is all about.